Hey guys, welcome back to my series of videos where I solve each one of LeetCode's problems, starting from the easiest, going to the hardest. So now we're going to problem this one, add binary, which is problem 67. Given two binary strings A and B, return their sum as a binary string. Okay. Okay, if you guys don't know binary, and it's just, 0 means 0, 1 means 1. 1, 0 means 2, 1 means 3. So basically every digit represents a potency of 2, and the 0 represents that you're not adding that potency, and the 1 represents you're adding that potency. And you can write all the numbers, all the integer numbers in the world like this. So let's go. Let me just close my previous exercise. So it's 67 binary. Binary. Code 67. Solution. Uh, so yeah, copy this. So assert solution. Assert is something that if it's not true, it will raise an error. So the add binary of these must be 100. Okay, so what shall we do? Yeah, this is a bit tricky because we don't know. Well, it's not tricky at all, but if we want to iterate over all of them, they're not of the same length. So we just need to, let me think. Yeah, I can actually do this way. Okay, so let me iterate okay, while true, I'll just go for current index is equal to -1. So we're going to the last one. While true, or while length of A is bigger than current index times -1, so we can make it positive. And the same for length B. Let's see. If A of I want to check if they're both ones, if they're both zeros, or if they're both if there's 1 or 1001. So okay, I'll just do it like the hard way. If A -1 equals 0 and A B not me -1 current index equals 0. Continue, we don't do anything. Else if so if this is 1 and the other is 0, and if this is 0 and the other is 1, or so if we do that, then Actually, final. Final is a string that I want to return, and I'm going to append stuff to it. So final equals 0 plus final. Else if this final equals 0 plus. And now this is the worst part. Else if and I think this is the part that I will have to rethink some stuff. Then if this is true, then final equals 0 plus final, and then carry over full false. But the carryover will be true. Okay, and at this moment, yeah, so this is the problem. Because let's say it's 1, 1, then there's going to be, then it becomes 0 and there's a carryover. And then this 1, 1 again, and then it becomes a 0. There's a carryover, but there's already a carryover from before. Okay, so I'm going to do something different here. So regardless of any options, I'm just going to say um, new char is equals to 0. New char is equal to is 1. Indentation error. New char is equal to 0. Carryover will not be a boolean, it will be an integer, and it will start with 0. Carryover will just increase. So final is so because I can only carry over once. Do this. Carry over past. Okay, let's just call it carry over 1 and carry over 2. So carry over 2 is this one. So if new char, if carry over 1, carry over 1 is the one that comes from before. Yeah. If carry over 1, if no, carry over. If, yeah, okay. Yeah, this is the problem. If carry over 1, so if something is carrying over from before, 1 plus 1, 0, then it's coming. Yeah. New char equal to 0, and char equals 1, and that's it. Else new char is equal to 0. In what cases does this happen? Let me just comment this out. Final is new char plus this, and carry over 1 equals carry over 2. I want this 0, 0. See if this works. So yeah, I didn't return anything, so might as well return something. Yeah, and this is still not done. Turn final. Breakpoints. So now we have nothing. So let's start here. Okay, so while length of A is 2, I think we need to do bigger or equal. But we also need to, at the end, reduce the current index. Zero. Okay, so let's see where it went wrong. So we know that both of them are ones, so that they should go all the way here to line 17. Okay, good. So new char is going to be 0, carry over is 2 is 1. If carry over 1, there's no carryover. Final 0, carry over 1 equals carry over 2. And index is 1. Okay, so return final. No, there's still stuff. I'm gonna just do some cheating here, which is I'm gonna make the length of A the same as length B and the opposite. So if length of A is bigger than length B, then B equals 0 times, I'm just gonna add zeros to the left. B minus length of A plus B. And I think I can do the opposite. Length B bigger than length A. A minus. It's just gonna make it simpler. Okay, so now A is 1, 1, and this should be 0, 1. Why isn't this 0, 1? Yeah, and now B. Yeah, of course. I did it the opposite way. So A is 1, 1, B is 0, 1. Okay, cool. So far, so good. Stop. Final is, yeah, it is not counting the one, the carryover. So carryover. New char is actually 1. If new char is 0, then it's 1. Else, new char equals 1. And what's the carryover now? 2. Carryover of 2 equals 1. So this is now 1, 0. Yes, this because carryover 1, if carryover 1, then final is equal to final plus 1 plus final. Yes, this works. So let me just do a test. If it's 1, 1, 1, 1, then it goes for, it should be more than this. I think I'm being stupid with this carryover 1 and carryover 2. I think there should be just one carryover. This doesn't exist. No, actually, carryover plus equals 1. If carryover and, and now if carryover, it all depends on the number of the carryover. 2 is 1 times carryover. I think this will work. Let's give it a shot. Okay. 1, 1, 1 should be this one. I think, yeah, we need to remove this carry over here. Minus equals 1. Length of A. Okay. Length of B. Okay. So new char is 0 and the carryover becomes 1. Cool. Yeah, and this is the problem. New carryover equals false. Carryover if carryover. Okay. And now if new carryover plus equals 1. This is not right. And why isn't this right? So it's a 0. Now we have new carryover. There's no carryover now, so it doesn't matter. New carryover plus equals 1. Final. The final right now is just a 0. So new carryover is false, and this is 1 and 0. So it comes here. The new char is this one. The carryover, yes, there's a carryover, and the new char is 1. Oh, come on. 1, 0. Okay, so let me try this. 1, 1. 1, 0. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be 5 ones, okay. And if this goes, it should be 1, 1, and then 5 zeros. Okay. Just run again, hope for a better runtime. Yeah, it's better. So I think I'm doing some unnecessary stuff here. Well, I definitely did this, and this consumed some things. I think I could improve stuff. So yeah, carryover doesn't need to be, I don't think carryover needs to be an integer. It can be just, no, it needs to be an integer. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it.